Hello crypto fans, welcome to Crypto Daily Info. My challenge is to bring you the latest crypto information in 5 minutes. I've set my timer, so let's start with the bubbles. Looking green, we're having a good day, which is fantastic. Now I've been reading a lot of the news and I'm going through a lot of Twitter, and I have the most bullish news ever for Bitcoin in particular. It's coming. Our God candles are coming. Let me take you through exactly what I've tagged. So basically, we've got Bitcoin on track to hit 1.5 million by 2030 from ARK Invest. ARK Invest is predicting, and we are on track to hit that target of a 1.5 million per Bitcoin by 2030. I mean, wouldn't that be incredible for our bags if that actually turns out to be true? And ARK Invest, you know, they often are. So we also have the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Bill that is getting momentum. It's moving through and it's passed the House vote in the state of Utah. In fact, 27 US states now have some kind of Bitcoin reserve on the way. I'm going to get to that in a minute. Michael Saylor says that BlackRock has increased its ownership of MicroStrategy by 5%. So BlackRock not only have the Bitcoin ETF, but they're also buying MicroStrategy as well, which is mega bullish for not only Bitcoin, but also MicroStrategy. But why are BlackRock buying so much Bitcoin? It can only be good news and bullish news for Bitcoin. Okay, what else have we got? Michigan State just reported 9 million in Bitcoin ETFs, in ETF holdings. We've also got 325 billion PNC Bank, which buys 67 million in Bitcoin ETFs. So the states in the United States are starting to get things in preparation for a Bitcoin reserve, and major institutions are buying, like BlackRock and banks as well. This is incredibly bullish news for Bitcoin. Yes, we're under 100,000 a coin at the moment, but I think good things are coming on the way. This is not financial advice. I'm just bringing you the news, and my challenge is to get through this as quick as possible to give you a wrap up on what has happened in Bitcoin and crypto in the last 24 hours. Okay, Kentucky also files a bill to invest 10% of state funds in Bitcoin. And I've also seen that Florida are looking to do the same as well. We also had Michael Saylor at Trump's Mar-a-Lago over the weekend. And not only that, but I also read that they had the GameStop CEO at Mar-a-Lago as well, meeting with Michael Saylor. So they might be doing something similar to MicroStrategy, or maybe investing the money that they've got into MicroStrategy. So GameStop could end up exploding with the help of Bitcoin, and that could really mess up the short sellers on GameStop. So that's one to watch as well. Texas Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Bill is moving to Texas State's Financial Committee. So look, we've got all of these states. I've got it up here. Look at how many states are now looking at a Bitcoin related legislation or something around setting up in preparation for a potential Bitcoin strategic reserve. Also, the University of Austin buys 5 million Bitcoin. They don't want to be left behind. So this is what I mean about banks and institutions buying Bitcoin already, and it looks like the states are getting set up for it as well. Donald Trump is super bullish on Bitcoin. He says it's the new oil. So this is very Bitcoin heavy today. But I just wanted to bring you that news because look how bullish it is for Bitcoin in particular. Now, moving on to Ripple, they have partnered with somebody to offer cross-border payments between Portugal and Brazil. So the rest of the world are getting involved with cryptocurrency as well. And that's good news for Ripple and XRP potentially. What else have we got in here? Ripple partners with... okay, so we've got that one. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy buys another 7,633 Bitcoin today. He always buys on Monday, doesn't he? He didn't buy last Monday, but he has bought today, so he's still continuing to buy. I thought this was funny. Donald Trump has asked the mint to stop minting pennies because the cost of the coin in metal value is worth more than the actual coin value itself. So they're stopping minting. That is a testament to the inflation that the United States has had and the rise in commodities like metals. Okay, what else have we got in here? I think that's basically all I wanted to bring you today. There's so much bullish news for Bitcoin. Let's have a look at it. We are actually in fear still. Somehow we're still in fear. Maybe that's to do with the altcoins, but Bitcoin, it's up today by 3. Oh, there's my 5 minutes. So my challenge is to bring you this in 5 minutes. I don't want to go much over that because you're busy and I want to bring you the latest information. There hasn't been too much that's happened in the last 24 hours, mainly just about all of that bullish Bitcoin news. Now, we've also got a quick thing about Ethereum. So this is Umin and Arin. Ethereum underperforms as hedge funds ramp up short positions, analysis say. So Ethereum underperforming, and this is news from the block through TradingView. But we've also got a counter article literally on TradingView's news today. Literally the next article that they're promoting, Ethereum tops Bitcoin in weekly inflows for the first time in 2025. So more people are buying the Ethereum ETFs, but it's still not performing as well as people expect. And there's just one last thing that I wanted to bring to you today as well, and I think this is quite amazing. The Bitcoin is being adopted faster. Where was it? Faster than the internet and mobile phones. I saved it somewhere in here. It's just a testament to how quickly Bitcoin is actually being adopted. Here it is. So, crypto adoption is 43% faster than what mobile phones were and 20% faster than how quickly the internet was adopted. Because crypto has hit 300 million users in just 12 years. That's 43% faster than mobile phone adoption and 20% faster than the internet. And that is thanks to BlackRock again. So yeah, awesome and bullish news for Bitcoin. It's still in fear. We've got green days on the bubbles today, but Bitcoin is still kind of struggling. So let's just see where it gets to. It's a little bit up today. I still think this is bullish news for Bitcoin. Follow me every day for Crypto Daily Info, where I bring you crypto information from the last 24 hours to keep you up to date, aiming to keep it under 5 minutes. I'm Mike, and this is Crypto Daily Info. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.